Looking for the best CFD brokers in the UK? Contracts for difference are powerful tools, but choosing the wrong broker can cost you both money and peace of mind. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 top FCA-regulated brokers, each tested hands-on by our team. CFDs, or contracts for difference, allow you to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. They offer access to forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and crypto, often with leverage. But with high potential comes high risk. That's why it's critical to choose a broker that's not only regulated by the FCA, but also reliable, transparent, and user-friendly. At InvestingGuide, we test brokers ourselves, opening accounts, placing trades, evaluating customer support, checking fee structures, and comparing platform usability under real conditions. Our reviews are based on first-hand experience, not just marketing claims. To learn more about our testing process, visit investingguide.co.uk, how we test. Let's dive into the top CFD brokers in the UK. FP Markets, best for low-cost CFD trading. FP Markets is known for ultra-competitive pricing and solid execution speed. It's regulated by both ASIC and SISEC and accepts UK traders with full FCA compliance. What stood out in our testing? Spreads start as low as 0.0 pips on their raw account. Access to over 10,000 tradable instruments via MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and IRES. Fast order execution, ideal for scalpers and high-frequency traders. FP Markets also supports advanced tools like AutoChartist and Mixbook integration. We were also impressed by their educational portal, great for beginners and intermediate traders. The mobile platform is stable and efficient, but more tailored toward experienced users who prefer customization and analytics. Link in the description. IG Markets, best for market access and research. Founded in 1974, IG is one of the oldest and most trusted names in UK trading. It's regulated by the FCA and listed on the London Stock Exchange. IG offers an enormous range of CFDs, over 17,000 markets, including shares, indices, forex, commodities, and more. Their proprietary platform is packed with features, professional level charts with over 30 technical indicators, custom alerts and integrated news, advanced risk management tools. We were particularly impressed by their research, including expert analysis, webinars, and in-depth articles. IG also integrates with TradingView, providing an intuitive charting experience for more visual traders. Their mobile app mirrors the desktop's depth surprisingly well. Link in the description. Plus 500, best for simplicity and risk control. Plus 500 is all about simplicity and speed. If you're new to CFDs or want a clean interface with powerful risk management, this platform is worth checking. They are FCA regulated, publicly listed, and sponsor the Serie A football team, Atalanta BC, a sign of strong market presence. Our testing showed very intuitive mobile and desktop interface, access to over 2,800 CFDs, stocks, forex, indices, commodities, tools like guaranteed stop loss, trailing stop, and negative balance protection, quick registration and no commissions, just spreads. We appreciated the balance between beginner friendliness and fast execution. This is a great pick for traders who prioritize ease of use and want to avoid overcomplicated platforms. Link in the description. eToro, best for copy trading and community access. eToro is a unique broker in the CFD space. Along with typical assets like stocks, ETFs, and crypto, it offers a full social trading ecosystem. You can copy top-performing traders with just a few taps, making eToro one of the easiest platforms for beginners. We tested its CFD features. Access to over 3,000 assets, including forex, stocks, indices, and crypto. Intuitive mobile and desktop experience. Built-in social feed to discuss trades and follow strategy discussions. Commission-free stock CFD trading. Note, spreads on forex and crypto can be wider. eToro is regulated by the FCA and also publicly traded on the Nasdaq, adding transparency and trust. You'll find the registration link in the video description. Pepperstone, best for advanced trading tools. Pepperstone is ideal for experienced CFD traders who want more control and speed. It's FCA licensed and offers access to over 1,200 instruments, including forex, indices, and commodities. What we liked: multiple platform support, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradingView ultra-low spreads starting from 0.0 pips on Razor accounts, fast execution, low slippage, and strong server stability. VPS hosting and API access for algo traders. Pepperstone also provides in-depth educational content and detailed market insights, but it's definitely more geared toward intermediate or advanced users. link in the description. At InvestingGuide, we help UK traders make smarter choices based on real testing, not hype. We don't recommend brokers we haven't personally tested. Our reviews evaluate FCA compliance, usability, asset range, customer support, and cost transparency. You can find more insights on our website, including comparisons, reviews, and tools to guide your trading journey. There, you'll also find our broker comparison tool. It shows you fees, spreads, platforms, minimum deposits, and available assets, so you can make a fully informed decision. Want to learn more about CFDs, platforms, and strategies? Head to investingguide.co.uk. All registration links are in the video description. Like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.